This is the file that we have created to demonstrate the fork command. Before applying fork command, we have simply written a small program in C just to display the hello, right? So these are the header files that we need to add here: stdio.h, system types.h, unistd.h, int main, printf and all, right? We have saved this file and we have came to the terminal using GCC compiler. We have compiled this file first of all, and then after that we have executed this file and we got this is the output, right? So this is one way how can we write a program, fine. The another thing that we can do here is this. We can create another program similar to it, and we will write we will edit it as the fine. So we will add fork command into it. So let me copy it and paste it here and save this document as process1 process1.c, right? And let me write here fork, right? Let me write here fork command and see that what happens here, okay? When we write fork command, it split into two parts, right? There'll be a parent command and there will be a child command, child process. So let me execute it and let's see how the results changes, right? So let me first of all execute it, and then we will execute it, right? First of all, we have to compile it. Now see, we are observing here that we are getting two outputs, right? So in this way, we can execute fork command, fine. Now let me modify a code little bit more and add the fork command twice, right? And then we will see what will be the change we will find, fine. So this is one of the things that we have written here. Fork command here we will write, and fork command we will write once more, fine, and see what will be the result that happens. So let me save it and save it with the name process2.c, right? So I have saved it. And let me again go to the terminal and compile the program, and then we will execute it, right? So the name is to and then let me execute it. So see how many number of times the hello has been printed, right? Fork command is 2 times we have executed. So 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. So 4 times it will be executed, right? So in this way, we will able to execute the fork command, right?